Welcome to SDAS TechTok. This video shows you the steps to download, install and activate Stata on a Mac. Part 1. Download Stata. Step 1. Go to http://download.stata.com download. Step 2. The following login box should appear in your browser. Enter your username, password and serial number, as provided in the email from Survey Design and Analysis, then press Login. Step 3. On the next screen, enter the information requested, then press Login. Step 4. Select the correct option for your operating system. In this case, we're selecting Mac. Step 5. Click on Download and save the file somewhere easy to locate. The StatAnow18.dmg file should now be downloading, which you can check by clicking on the following icon in the top of your browser. Note: please make sure that you have a good internet connection to be able to download the package. Part 2. Install Stata. Step 1. Once the file is downloaded, click on the StatAnow18.dmg file. This will open a window with two icons. Read before you install StatAnow and install StatAnow. Step 2. Click on Install StatAnow to install Stata18 into your applications directory. You will need administrator rights on your computer to install Stata. Step 3. When this window appears, click on Continue, then read the license agreement, click on Continue again, and then accept the license agreement. Step 4. Select your Stata edition. Please make sure that you select the right edition as shown on your license file. In this case, we are selecting Stata Now BE. Then click Continue. Step 5. Click on Install and enter your device password to begin the installation of Stata. Please wait while the software installs. Part 3. Activate Stata. Step 1. Type Stata in the search bar or find the file where you saved it and then click and open Stata. Step 2. You will then be asked to initialize your license. Enter details in the following dialog box. Please copy-paste your serial number, code and authorization to avoid typing errors. To find the details required, refer to the email from Survey Design and Analysis and you will see the serial number, code and authorization. Step 3. Check the following box to register for access to technical support. Then click Finish. The license is now activated. If you have any difficulty downloading and installing Stata on your computer, please feel free to contact us at sales@surveydesign.com.au for assistance.
Thank you for watching.